Back inside the Big Dome for more PBA Sunday action. Let's send you over to Marco Vargas.
Thanks, Miko. Malayo man daw si Adam Parada sa kanyang daddy. Ito daw ang nagturo sa kanya ng disiplina at syaga. Hindi man daw athletic ang kanyang ama. Tinuruan daw niya ito kung anong ibig sabihin ng hard work by making him work in their horse ranch in California. Back to you guys.
Yeah!
Alam, pinagbubuhat siya ng mga kabayo.
Ranchero pala itong siya.
Pero hindi siya nangarap magiging hinete.
Hindi. Pwede sa sakyan ng hinete. As the shot clock expires for Pure Foods.
Coming from a timeout, that's a very bad indication, you know? May pagkakataon pa ang Red Bull dito to tie the ball game if not regain the lead. So ang second quarter, that's an opportunity actually for Red Bull to catch up. So unti-unti, wala rin silang binigla rito.
Here's Ibanez. Inside. Roger Yap on the move. Nice pass for Kirby Raimundo.
Kirby Raimundo himself has been running very well sa pass break nitong mga taga-Giants.
But si Cyrus Baguio,
ayaw makahuli.
unmindful of the number of white shirts in front of him. Si Roger Yap tatawagan ng kanyang pangalawang personal foul. That will be the fourth team foul laban sa Pure Foods.
Cyrus Baguio now with 10 points, erupting for 6 points here in the second quarter. As you mentioned, he was the hero of that game against Pure Foods in their first meeting in the first round of the eliminations. And now he's playing the same role with 12 points. He stopped scoring for his team.
2 points pa rin ang abante ng Pure Foods, 45-43. Minute and 34 remaining dito sa first half. James Yap back on the court para sa Pure Foods. One-on-one against the Horda. Ball fake. And Ralimi misses the follow-up. Here comes Baguio. He can tie the game with a basket here. And he will miss. And there's the Horda. He slams to the ground. And he is called for traveling.
Oo, pagkakuha niya ng bola at pagkadapa niya, umangat yung kanyang dalawang paa. So, traveling violation ito. Although si Coach Sheng is saying na may traveling dun sa kabila on James Yap.
Time winding down here in the first half. Raimundo loses the ball against Penisi. It's with Ralimi. And Raimundo misses. Bothered by the defense of Parada. Furious battle for the loose ball. It ends up with Ibanez. Ibanez to Baguio. Baguio passes to Parada. Misses a layup. 44 seconds to go in the first half. And James Yap spins and misses.
In this game, no such thing as a point blank basket. Talaga kahit tutok na, laging may challenge yung mga tira.
Baguio holding on to the basketball with 24 seconds to go in the second quarter. And Adam Parada is bludgeoned inside.
That's what we're talking about. Kapiraso nila, isusubo na lamang yung bola sa basket. Pero challenge pa rin ang maigi ng defense sa magkabilang oponent that time. Their import hacking his counterpart Adam Parada. Battle of the Giants really. Literally with 7-footers. Parada and Reda Ralimi. Ay talagang hindi lamang stats ang kanilang pinaglalabanan dito. Panggaan, hatawan. Pero sa dami ng action niyan, mintis yung free throw niya.
Masakit nga naman.
Oo,
7-footer din yung pumalo sa'yo.
May pabaon pa nga si Kirby sa atin.
1 out of 2 para kay Parada. Isa na lang ang abante ng Pure Foods. However, they can actually write the last sentence of the second chapter here. With 14 seconds remaining, and Peter Jun Simon with the basketball, expect everybody to clear out. It's going to be Simon against Ibanez here. And Ibanez had no other recourse but to give up a foul. Wala pa naman sa penalty ang Red Bull.
Pangatlo pa lamang nila yan. 8 seconds pa, so they would be able to give up another.
So they go to James Yap. James Yap.
That's how important that basket na hindi maibigay ng mga taga-Red Bull. And that's the presence of mind also on the part of the players. Knowing how to give out that foul without the attempt.
Well, now Red Bull has to play honest defense here. Simon shooting over Ibanez. Diyan magtatapos ang first half. It was physical, it was entertaining, it was blistering. Everything you expect from a Red Bull Pure Foods encounter as two old friends and two old foes meet anew. Pure Foods lamang ng isa rito, 45-44 against Red Bull. Meantime, let's send you over to Eric Reyes.
Well, Reda, you're really known for your defense and all-around presence, but tonight you seem to be, showing us that you can really score.
I mean, not just tonight. The last 3 games, I've been trying to go harder in offense. Coach want me to go harder in offense, try to get more shots. So that's what I'm trying to do. Just help my team, whatever they need.
With a good scoring night, you think you'll be able to get over the hump tonight?
Excuse me?
With a good scoring night from you, you think you'll be able to get over the hump tonight?
Oh, I mean, we're just thinking about getting this win. It's going to help us a lot, confidence to get back. That's all I'm thinking about. That's why to get win.
Thanks, I'll see you in the second half. Guys?
Salamat Eric, Reda, Ralimi and company. Up by a precarious point over Red Bull. 45-44 Ralimi with a splendid first half performance. That's why his team is ahead. And we'll be back with more from the Big Dome after these important messages.